Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a winter makeup look and I've been seeing Snow Fairy and Ice Princess looks. I wanted to do my version of that, so I'm going to show you guys how I got this makeup right here. It's perfect for anything festive and it's pretty easy to do. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching and let's get started. I love winter makeup the most. You can wear it when you go ice skating or to a Christmas party and it's just so cute. First, we're going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Try to keep my base very minimal, pretty natural. The only thing I'm gonna go really heavy with is blush. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Clarins water stain and I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks and my lips. It's gonna look a little crazy, but I wanna make sure my blush really shines through. I'm gonna put this underneath it just to keep that really blushy look that I'm going for. Yeah, with winter makeup looks, I do like to have a lot of blush on my nose. I'm also gonna put it on my lips. This is a lip stain, but I feel like you can use them all over your face. For contour, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define. I don't typically contour with concealer, but since I'm not going to be using foundation, I definitely need something with more coverage. Nose contour is gonna look a little intense before I do everything else. Just keep that in mind, but I always like to go heavy because once you do everything else and add a little bit of foundation on top, everything blends together. I'm also not gonna be using powder bronzer, so I am trying to keep the color in my face. I feel like I used to be a summer person. Like I would always say my favorite season was summer. My summers are pretty boring now. Like there's never really a lot to do. So I feel like I'm happier during winter. I really like when it gets cold. I love when the sun goes down early. This is a very cozy time of year. It's so nice to just cuddle up and put on a sweatshirt, get a blankie, cozy up and watch a movie. And I love the feeling of that. Speaking of cozy, I just got a new mattress from Birch that I'm so excited to relax in this winter. So thank you Birch for sponsoring today's video and helping me start the new year off with better sleep. I ordered the Birch Luxe Natural Mattress, which is an upgraded version of the already loved Natural mattress. Birch Living's mattresses are made with organic, responsibly sourced materials. They're free from polyurethane and harmful fiberglass materials, and they offer a 100-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty. They bring the mattress straight to your door, and even though they offer in-home setup and removal, it was shockingly easy to assemble by myself, so I love that. They also include some freebies with your purchase, so each mattress comes with 2 EcoRest pillows. I'm a really hot sleeper and my favorite thing about this mattress is that the organic materials keep me cool, and since I spend a lot of time in my bed editing, having the right mattress is so important, and the Birch Luxe mattress has been super comfortable for sleeping, reading, working, and relaxing. I've had this mattress for about a week now and I love it so much. It's so comfy and I sleep great. If you're interested in Birch, run to their website because they're offering 27% off your mattress purchase plus 2 free pillows. You can use the code BirchPartner27 for this offer, which is valid through December 8th. So make sure you hurry and check my description for the link, and thank you again Birch for sponsoring today's video. Blush today, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty. This is the shade Grace. This one's kind of like a nudish pink shade. So I'm going to apply the Rare Beauty to the inner parts of my cheeks. And it's okay if you want to go heavy-handed. I definitely am going to put a lot of blush on. So I'm using the darker shade on the outer parts of my cheeks. Also going to place some at the tip of my nose. And I'm just going to blend this out. So this is gonna be my first Christmas in Austin and I'm excited because my mom and my sister are gonna come. This is gonna be the first Christmas away from Houston actually, I think, that I've ever had. It's gonna be different this year, which I'm excited about just because we've always done the same thing. It's gonna be fun to be in a different city. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't think we'll get snow this year, but it'd be really cool if we did. We're gonna do concealer next and I really want my under eyes to be bright. So first I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Color Correcting Concealer. This is the shade Peach and I'm gonna apply this right at the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna use my ring finger and just blend that out so that I keep a lot of the pigment. So we're gonna go in with a little bit more of the e.l.f. concealer and I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 seconds before blending it out. I'm gonna use a powder puff with no product on it, but one that I've used before, so there's like a little bit of product, and I'm just gonna pat this under my eyes just to set that layer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Caramel. Caramel? I don't know. I'm going to apply that where I applied the other concealer. Also gonna bring it in here. And I'm also going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna do it in sections because since it's matte, I don't want it to dry down too fast. So I'm gonna just blend this out again with my fingers. And I'm also gonna drag it down my nose and kind of blend it into my nose contour so that the nose contour like calms down a little bit. And you can take the concealer and put that all on your eyelid as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the rest of my face. I'm just gonna apply it to my forehead, the bridge of my nose, above my mouth, and also my chin and on the sides of my mouth. We're gonna go in with another concealer. I'm doing very light layers of concealer so it doesn't look cakey or anything, but I'm gonna go in with the Revolution concealer. This one's in the shade C10 and it's kind of like a more pale, like lighter color. So I'm gonna apply this to the inner corners of my eye, just like that. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop. This is the shade 19, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my face. This doesn't have extreme coverage in it, so I'm gonna use this in the areas I didn't apply any makeup. Just go in and blend this out. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. This is the shade 105. I'm not using a lot of this. I'm just gonna focus on the inner corner underneath my eyes. Next, I'm taking the banana powder, getting a little bit of that. I'm gonna pick it up with a brush and just press this underneath my eyes. We're gonna do some eyeshadow next. For the first shade, I'm gonna be using this one. This is called Bewitching Hour. This is the Morphe 35A palette. I got this so long ago, so hopefully they still make it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit at a time, and I'm only gonna work it like on the top part of my eye. So I'm just gonna start applying it up here and wing it out as well. Next, I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm going to go in with the lightest shade in the palette. I'm going to apply this shade all over my eyelids, so this general area and at the inner corner. And you can go back in with your other color and just blend those together if it's too much of a contrast for you. Also going to apply it to my brow bone. I don't know why my makeup does this, but there's always one side that's better. Not sure why. Going into the same palette, I'm going to take the shade Diamonds, which is this extremely white, icy, shimmery shade. Picking it up with my finger, I'm going to apply this where I put the white eyeshadow. Apply a little bit more. I'm going to take that same shade on a brush and drag it underneath the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so I have a little hack. If you wet your brush, grab that shimmer shade and just tap it right here. It makes it really pigmented. and then you get a nice inner corner highlight. So next I'm gonna go in with this Milk Makeup Longwear eyeliner. So now I'm gonna outline my waterline and tightline my eyes. Also gonna make a really thin line on my lash line. This step is definitely optional, but I do really like the contrast it gives the look. I'm using this Secret Garden blush palette by Eloise. I don't think they sell this anymore, but this is like one of my favorite blush palettes. I'm gonna take this light pink shimmer shade, apply this right on the apples of my cheeks. I'm also gonna apply it to the tip of my nose. We're gonna go in with the Dior Backstage Glow palette, and I'm just gonna use this pink shade on the apples of my cheeks. Zoomed y'all in a little bit, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows now, and I want them to be a little bit skinny. So I'm just gonna brush the top down and then brush the bottom up, but try to keep the hairs in the middle. So I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. I don't really know how to feel about them. You can't really tell that there's anything, but I just cut up these Kiss wispy lashes and just kind of like place them wherever. All right, for lips, I'm gonna use the NYX Line Loud lip pencil in the shade Make a Statement. And then I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This one is the shade Confetti. It's like this really pretty iridescent lip gloss. I've had this for a long time, so I don't know if she even still makes this. Okay guys, I'm gonna spray my face with setting spray, even though I'm not going anywhere. Okay y'all, this is my version of the Snow Fairy / Ice Princess makeup look. I feel like it's so easy because I only used like 3 eyeshadows and I didn't do a lot of blending or anything like that. So it's very beginner friendly, and yeah, what do you guys think? Happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoy y'all's Christmas if you celebrate. I hope you guys get to do some festive things. You can wear this to your next holiday party, and I think everyone's gonna love it. You're gonna look so cute. So yeah, happy holidays. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.